Hi everyone, welcome back to this brand new course where we will learn how to build hands-on applications with generative AI using LangChain, especially RAG and JavaScript. Before we dive into coding, let's just take a step back and understand what generative AI really means and why it is such a big deal for us as developers. Now, what is generative AI? So, generative AI is all about creating new content. Now, unlike traditional AI models that only make predictions, generative models now can generate brand new text, images, audios, or even videos now. Now, think of ChatGPT writing an article for you, or Midjourney creating paintings from a single sentence. This is possible because of something called large language models or LLMs. Now, LLMs are trained on a huge variety of data sources. They can be books, articles, websites, even social media posts. By looking at all this data, they learn patterns in language. So when you give them a prompt, they don't just repeat what they have seen before. They use these patterns to predict the next word, then the next one, and the next one, until you get a complete sentence or an entire essay built for you. Now, when we come to machine learning through generative AI, in traditional machine learning, models are trained to make predictions like is this bank transaction is fraud or will this user click on a movie recommendation? But generative AI takes a step further. Instead of just predicting a single outcome, it generates new creative outputs like an entire essay or a piece of code or even to create an image for us. Now, here is the exciting part for us as developers. We don't have to train these massive models ourselves. This is for data scientists. But companies, for example, like OpenAI and Google and Anthropic, already trained so many models. So what we do is use APIs endpoints and we send a prompt to their model, and this model will regenerate a response for us, which is the LLM part. This called inference, which is different from training. Okay, so this course is not about training the model, which is for data scientists. It's more about how we can use these models. Now, the challenges and the key concept that they come with this is that building apps with LLMs comes with some key challenges. So, prompting, the way we phrase or input affects the output. So, good prompt means better result. Then we have memory. LLMs are stateless. That means they don't remember past conversations unless we design a memory in our app. Then we have private data. If we want to build something like an HR chatbot, we can't rely on the internet trained data. We need to bring in our own company data. That's where RAG, which is Retrieval Augmented Generation, will comes in later this course. And we will cover this in details later. Now, you must be wondering why this course matter for me. Well, as a front-end developer, your job is no longer just building forms and dashboards. You can now integrate powerful AI features into your application. And in this course, I will guide you step by step on how to do that, starting with LangChain, RAG, and JavaScript. By the end, you will not only understand the theory, but you'll have real world AI apps running in your browser. Now, if you are ready, let's jump into the exciting world of generative AI and let's start building.